Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your keyboard and Windows key work, otherwise shortcuts won't register. Once done, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager directly. This bypasses intermediate menus. Make sure no full-screen game or app is capturing keys. If it is, exit or Alt plus Tab to the desktop first. This shortcut opens Task Manager focused on the Processes tab, so you can immediately see running apps and CPU usage. If you prefer a mouse alternative, use the taskbar right-click instead, but we'll continue with keyboard. Once Task Manager is open, you'll navigate with the keyboard. Press Tab to move from the title bar into the main panes, then use arrow keys to select processes. Once a process is highlighted, press Menu or Shift plus F10 to open the context menu, and use arrow keys plus Enter to select actions like End Task or Go to Details. Make sure to switch to the Details or Performance tabs via Ctrl plus Tab or by pressing Tab repeatedly then arrows. This helps when you need deeper diagnostics or to sort by CPU or memory. To finish, highlight a misbehaving process and use Shift plus F10, then choose End Task. This cleanly asks Windows to terminate it. If a process resists, switch to Details and adjust priority or create a dump file for further analysis. Once done, close Task Manager with Alt plus F4. If Task Manager itself won't open, try Ctrl plus Alt plus Del as an alternate pathway, sign out and back in, or boot to safe mode. These steps isolate system-level issues and restore keyboard-driven access reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.